Don't have plans for summer vacation yet? Join this webinar and boost your chances of getting into your dream college. Eve Cooper Consulting, based in Novato, California, has opened the registration for a student admission counseling webinar. You can learn how to choose summer activities that can bolster your chances of being accepted at your preferred universities. Cooper says that summer is the ideal time to find a meaningful activity that you can include in your college application. Through the webinar, you can learn which summer activities make the biggest impression on the university admission boards. You will learn the crucial considerations when choosing an activity so you can better maximize the summer break. You will also be coached on how best to frame your chosen endeavor to stand out from other applicants. Learn more by visiting evecooperconsulting.com.